Welcome to this video. In this video we will discuss about rational numbers. The word rational arises from the term ratio. The ratio of two integers p and q can be written in the form p by q. This is the form in which rational numbers are expressed. Thus, a rational number is defined as a number that can be expressed in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. Can you recall what are integers? Negatives of natural numbers put together with all numbers make up integers. Hence, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. are integers. Now try to write some examples of rational numbers. 6 by 7. Here p equal to 6, q equal to 7 and q not equal to 0. Both 6 and 7 are integers also. Therefore, 6 by 7 is a rational number. Fractions like 4 by 5, 6 by 11, 1 and 2 by 3 are all rational numbers. Is -5 by 9 a rational number? Here p equal to -5, q equal to 9 and q not equal to 0. Both p and q are integers. Therefore, -5 by 9 is a rational number. So, -10 by 14, -6 by 5 are all rational numbers. Can you say that integers are rational numbers? Examine these examples. Consider -9, which is an integer, but we can write -9 as -9 by 1. So, it is a rational number. Likewise, 7, -4 are all rational numbers. What about 0? We can write 0 as 0 by 3 or 0 by 7, etc. So, 0 is also a rational number. What about decimal numbers? Look these decimal numbers: 0.8, that is 8 by 10, 3.2, 32 by 10, 0.555, which is 555 by 1000. Decimals like 0.8, 3.2, 0.555, etc. can be written as an ordinary fraction. Hence, they are rational numbers. Next, we will discuss about positive and negative rational numbers. Positive rational numbers. Consider the rational number 5 by 7. Both numerator and denominator are positive integers. Such a rational number is called a positive rational number. So, 5 by 7, 3 by 7, 1 by 8, etc. are positive rational numbers. What about -4 by -9? We can write -4 by -9 as -4 into -1 by -9 into -1, which is 4 by 9, and is an equivalent fraction of -4 by -9. So, -4 by -9 is a positive rational number. Thus, -2 by -3, -1 by -5, etc. are all positive rational numbers. Negative rational numbers. Consider -2 by 7. The numerator is negative, whereas the denominator is positive. Negative divided by positive will give a negative value. Such a rational number is called a negative rational number. So, -2 by 7, -1 by 5, -3 by 10, etc. are negative rational numbers. What about 8 by -5? We can write 8 by -5 as 8 into -1 by -5 into -1, which is -8 by 5, a negative rational number. Hence, 2 by -3, 4 by -11, 6 by -91, etc. are all negative rational numbers. The number 0 is neither a positive nor a negative rational number. Next we will discuss standard form of a rational number. See these rational numbers: minus 2 by 5, 4 by 9, 1 by 11. The denominator of these rational numbers are positive integers, and 1 is the only common factor between the numerator and denominator, and the negative sign occurs only in the numerator. Such rational numbers are said to be in standard form. So a rational number is said to be in standard form if its denominator is a positive integer and the numerator and the denominator have no common factor other than 1. We can reduce a rational number in the standard form. For that, we divide its numerator and denominator by their HCF, ignoring the negative sign. If there is a negative sign in the denominator, divide by minus HCF. Reduce minus 75 by 50 in the standard form. Here, HCF of 75 and 50 is 25. So we divide both numerator and denominator by 25, which is minus 3 by 2. Here the denominator is positive integer and the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. Hence it is in the standard form. Question number 2. Reduce 12 by minus 18 in the standard form. Here the denominator is a negative integer and HCF of denominator and numerator is 6. So its standard form is obtained by dividing by minus 6, which is minus 2 by 3. Now try to do these questions. Answer the following. Which of the following are not rational numbers? The rational numbers within the bracket minus 1 by 2 and 1 by minus 7 are both in the form p by q, and p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. But in second and third fraction, they are in the form p by q but q is 0. Hence, 2 by 0 and 10 by 0 are not rational numbers. Question number 2. Which of the following is a negative rational number? Answer: minus 4 by 5. Question number 3. A rational number which is neither negative nor positive is dash. Answer: 0. Question number 4. Reduce 8 by minus 10 in the standard form. Here HCF of 8 and 10 is 2 and denominator is a negative integer. So divide both the numerator and denominator by minus 2. So answer is minus 4 by 5. Now try to do these questions and see these answers. Hope you enjoyed this video. Share this video with your friends if you feel that it would be helpful for them. Thank you.